ó ṣe ń láàánú kó ṣẹlẹ̀ o, ó ṣe ń láàánú. Ìgò tí wọ́n orí ẹ̀ tó fọ́ yẹn kò ń ṣorí ẹ̀ nìkan ló fọ́, wọ́n fọ́ orí èmi, wọ́n fọ́ orí Ògúndé tó wà nù sáré, wọ́n fọ́ orí Wọlé Ṣóyínká, wọ́n fọ́ orí RMD, wọ́n fọ́ orí Ranse, wọ́n fọ́ orí ìyá Rainbow, wọ́n fọ́ orí Genevieve, wọ́n fọ́ orí Mọ́tọ́lá Jáládé, wọ́n fọ́ orí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé. Yeah. Hello everyone. My name is Yemi Solade, Nollywood actor. I'm making this video to solidarize with my colleague, fellow actor, Ade Adele, popularly known as Lawori, Baba Lawori, whose head was smashed by a hoodlum. And till now, I'm still disturbed why it had to happen in the first place, and why that guy. Okay. On the 1st of July, I woke up to seeing the video on Instagram as it posted, crying out to the world to help him out. I didn't want to leave this world. He was attacked. And he mentioned the name of the guy who I didn't want to give some dignity or place of importance or relevance, and his picture and all of that. And he asked us to repost. And as a colleague, I was touched because that sense of purpose and drive dawned on me that if it could happen to this guy, it could happen to any of us. Yeah, it has happened. I reposted, I tagged the Nigeria police, I tagged my association that I created, and I was the first president, Tampan, and all the chapters scattered all over the space. And well, the world got to know what happened, and till now, I don't know what is happening. I've heard so much, feelers are coming, people have said so much. I'm in touch with Lawori. What is paramount on my mind is his health, his mental health, because the bottle that was smashed on his head probably will have done too much of damage in his cranium, blood clots and what have you. I'm not a medical person. Every time I talk to him and I tell him, attend to this head. It goes beyond what we see outwardly. Anyway, but you see, the question I want to ask my colleagues, fellow actors, why the silence from all of you? If it was politicians, you guys would troop out. Why have you not trooped out the way you trooped out for Tinubu, the president of Nigeria? Because all of you were on the space, social space, you are in the street, the whole world saw you. So why are you now this silent? I know I'm stepping on your toes. I've always done that. You see? But truth has to be told. Ẹni tó bá ti jẹ dodo, kò lè ṣe òdodo. You see? That is a Yoruba balance. Well, I'm waiting to see where this drama will end. Ó ṣe ń láàánú kó ṣẹlẹ̀ o. Ó ṣe ń láàánú. Ìgò tí wọ́n orí ẹ̀ tó fọ́ yẹn kò ń ṣorí ẹ̀ nìkan ló fọ́, wọ́n fọ́ orí èmi, wọ́n fọ́ orí Ògúndé tó wà nù sáré, wọ́n fọ́ orí Wọlé Ṣóyínká, wọ́n fọ́ orí RMD, wọ́n fọ́ orí Ranse, wọ́n fọ́ orí ìyá Rainbow, wọ́n fọ́ orí Genevieve, wọ́n fọ́ orí Mọ́tọ́lá Jáládé, wọ́n fọ́ orí Fúnkẹ́ Akíndélé. That act for me is symbolic. It is not an internal crisis. Someone from another profession attacked a colleague. The Actors Guild of Nigeria have not had anything. And I've heard from one stupid practitioner who said Lawori was not a member or is not a member of my association. What mundane reasoning, what frivolous, what triviality, what audacious statement. Okay. Ẹ̀yà máa wọ́n tí gbogbo drama ẹ̀ máa já sí ṣá. Èmi ti ṣe wọn bá tí mo lè ṣe, mo sàn yín náà, mo dúró wo. Èmi fẹ́ ṣe TikTok, yẹn kí n wá ọ̀bẹ kan tá a máa kọ, but justice for Lawori, whatever it is, and whatever it will take, let's stand by him. We don't know the next person that will be brutalized, but we hate to see this thing happen. They're not when you're know the kinds of people you fraternize with, you socialize with, you roll with. I'm not better than anyone, but I mind my lane, I stay on my lane, and I have peace.